up, guys? We're just filming some content for the Detroit Auto Show over here in Detroit, Michigan. If you guys are familiar, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Oh, wow. I think they're testing out the cars over here. Basically, it's just a huge car meet. Not a car meet, it's like organized by car companies and stuff. They all bring their cars over here and just basically show off the new cars and their capabilities and everything like that. This is actually my first time coming out here. I've never been over here, but pretty excited to see what they got. I was looking at some of the Broncos and Jeeps. They got like these terrains they put them through. And here's one actually going up the hill now. Put that on the camera. You want to check this out? See, they go all the way up there.
With the available professionally installed level 2 home charging system, that's 240 volt. That particular system is very easy to install professionally with.
You know, Broncos were built like this. Oh, dang, this BMW is nice. Yeah, that color is super nice. Oh, I like this purple too. This purple is nice. And this blue is nice. Oh, it's electric? Oh, wow. Not a big electric car fan, to be honest, but still a nice car. They got a lot of nice cars in here. This is Volkswagen. They had BMW right over there. Honda. They got Cadillac, Chrysler, Chevy, everything. Ferrari 308 GTSI. Would you guys drive that? Drop a comment if you're driving this car right here. Ferrari. I got another Ferrari over here, actually. Oh, this one's nice. You could catch me in this. Nice car. Still mint, bro. Clean. Different, but they're pretty cool. Got this guy checking them out. Gun to the Ram real quick. Oh, this looks crazy. This looks crazy. I like the color of this Mustang.
Volunteers who want to work as well. But you now have a choice between several items. So that is going to be a Detroit Lions scarf. That might be a Detroit Lions hat.
Look at that thing. Yeah, those are nice.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Greets you with biometric recognition, so it will recognize your face.
Crazy turn. They're all just